Meaning of hazard.
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 Hazard. Hazard refers to a potential danger or risk that could cause harm or damage to individuals or property. Hazards can take many forms, such as natural disasters, hazardous materials, workplace hazards, and so on. The consequences of exposure to hazards can range from minor injuries to severe illness, death, or property damage. It is important to identify and assess hazards in order to implement appropriate safety measures to control the risk. Proper hazard identification and management can help to prevent accidents, injuries, and other negative outcomes, and ensure a safer environment for everyone involved.